Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable app drawer. In the beginning, let's tap and hold on the free space on the screen. And now let's go to settings. Enter home screen layout. And now in order to enable app drawer, select home and app screens. Or to disable it, select home screen only. Tap apply. And it's done. Now let's disable it. So tap and hold, go to settings, enter layout and select home and app screens. Now app drawer is enabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.